Stitch markers are essential tools that help keep your work organized and accurate, ensuring you don't lose your place. Stitch markers come in various shapes and sizes: locking stitch markers, ring markers, and split ring markers. Each type is designed for different purposes and projects. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use a locking stitch marker. Okay, let's crochet the first stitch of this round. Then to use a locking stitch marker, simply open the marker and hook it under both top loops of the stitch you just made. Then clip it closed like a safety pin. Continue to crochet the rest of the round as the pattern says. When you've crocheted into the last hole before the stitch marker you redone, count the number of stitches in the round, starting with the one marked by the stitch marker. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.